Okay, this is what's going on with the 2004 exterior here. You got the fuel pressure hooked up. Okay. Disconnect the battery. Put this here where you can watch it. Damn thing doesn't want to sit where I want to put it. Alright. Okay, I'm going to hook up the battery. I got no lines restricted. It's completely like it's supposed to be. Now watch this. Okay, shut it off. See how it's dropping? If I pinch off, this is the fuel rail. Oh, God damn it. Pinch the fuel rail off. It slows down, but it's still going down. So it's back feeding into the pump. I don't know if there's supposed to be a check valve or what. Now let's clamp off the return, and we'll clamp that off there. Now we'll fire it back up again. Need another pair of vice grips. All right, let's clamp both lines off. Okay. We're going to deadhead the pump here. This goes nowhere but back to the pump. Both returns are clear or pinched off. At 58 psi. Okay, I shut it off. It's definitely leaking back to the gas tank through the pump, through the fuel pump. It's not holding pressure on the fuel rail while they're up here. That's about how long it takes to drop. All right. Okay. Now let's fire this thing up and let it run. It sounds good when you first start it up. rev this thing up and see what it does. Damn thing does not want to sit where I leave it. See it? Start to misfire. As soon as it gets a little heat in it, it misfires. Jesus Christ. Sit still.